Good evening, everyone. We're live at 10:29. I got 80 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a second. We're running, copy, the next to last, or fourth mini, I believe. There it is. Mini number 4 for the DT Ben. Top 6 win spots in the main. Paste them in here. We got 80 entries. Awesome. We got it filled. We're almost there. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. There's a 4. I'm rolling again. There's a 12. Couldn't be more ready for action. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Salvador takes round 1 with number 46. As we stroll through our list there. Matthew takes round 2. Bond 3. Josh 4 with number 3. Adam takes round 5. Dave round 6. Bond again on top in round 7, this time with number 43, bringing us to the final round. Good luck. Or something like it there I spelled. Here we go, and our winners are... I'm sorry, I'm not on the final round. I'm only on round 8. Good grief. I'm sorry. Jason there at round 9. Salvador round 10. Steve in at round 11. And our winners now are, Bond, Matt, Bill, Dave, Jason, and Christopher. Congratulations, guys. Here's our verification. A little short-term memory loss there on my part. 12 rounds. We went 12. D-A-D-E-I-T. 12th round. Bond is the winner, followed by the rest of these fine gentlemen. I am done at 10:31 p.m. There you go. One last time, here's our winners. Here's how everybody else played out. Congratulations, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks a bunch.